Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Imagine our ancient ancestors living in harmony with nature's rhythm. They hunted, gathered, and feasted on nutrient-dense foods, often experiencing cycles of feast and famine. This paleo rhythm, feasting on meat and organs and then relying on gathered plants, reflects a natural balance that our bodies are still adapted to. Fast forward to today, where our modern world is filled with processed, low-nutrient foods, this constant availability of unhealthy options can lead to obesity, cardiovascular disease, neurodegenerative conditions, osteoporosis, and premature aging. But what if we could tap into that ancient wisdom and adapt our modern lifestyle for better health? One powerful way to align with our ancestral rhythm is through fasting. Fasting can be an effective tool for longevity and overall health. Let's explore how it works and its benefits. There are several fasting methods that you can incorporate into your routine, such as intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating. These methods involve cycles of eating and fasting that mimic the natural feast and famine rhythm of our ancestors. Fasting offers numerous benefits, including improved metabolism, enhanced cellular repair, and increased mental clarity. Dr. Jason Fung, he's a prominent advocate of intermittent fasting and one of the leading experts on it. He emphasizes its benefits across various aspects of health. So, for example, for brain health, fasting actually boosts autophagy. Autophagy is a process that cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones, which is crucial for preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It also helps reduce insulin levels and inflammation and supports overall cognitive function and longevity. Autophagy is a funny word, but it means autophagy, which means self-eating. That's what it is, and it's so beneficial. For bone health, while not the primary focus, fasting does contribute to bone health by reducing chronic inflammation and balancing insulin levels. Proper metabolic function aids in nutrient absorption and hormone balance, which are vital for strong bones. For heart health, fasting lowers insulin levels and reduces insulin resistance, which are key factors in heart disease. By managing these levels, fasting can help prevent atherosclerosis and improve cardiovascular health. Additionally, it supports weight loss and metabolic health, further reducing cardiovascular risk. Incorporating fasting into your routine can enhance your health and longevity. Remember to approach fasting safely and consult with a healthcare provider to tailor it to your individual needs. Embrace the wisdom of our ancestors and the benefits of fasting to align with your body's natural rhythm. Boost your health and longevity by integrating these timeless practices into your modern life.